Today I'm going to shoot some Winchester Western 22 extra power 22 Magnum ammo. And this ammo was made in about 1975. And then I also have some modern, this jacketed hollow point from Winchester. I have the modern ammo too. The modern ammo, you can see that the lead is exposed. On the stuff from the 1970s, the lead is the same, but it's got copper wash on it. So I'm going to shoot the old stuff. It's 45, 47 years old. Okay, I'm going to shoot 22 Winchester Magnum ammo. The old stuff I showed you with the copper wash on the exposed hollow point from Winchester Western from 1975, 47 years of ammo. I'm going to shoot it out of a model 9422 Magnum Winchester lever action. And I'll shot all 11 shots. 47-year-old 22 Magnum ammo. If you just keep it dry and in a safe, dry place, it'll shoot forever. Thanks for watching.